In this video, I'd like to talk about a pay-per-click traffic source called bidvertiser. You can visit them at bidvertiser.com. Now, this is not any average ad network. This is different from Google in that, unlike Google AdSense or Google AdWords, the advertiser and publisher have control of the ads quality and the pricing and the timing. This is also great for niche market targeting, and Bidvertiser provides high quality traffic. And the traffic, when you purchase them, it's immediate and you get results. What I like about it is that, yeah, you do have control over your ads, such as the size of the advertisements and the keywords. And another great thing is, if you know you're starting out, the cost of this traffic source is cheap compared to the big ad networks out there. And another great feature of this ad network is that they do provide click fraud protection.